Completion of Smart Factory. Introducing Hanwha's Industry 4.0 solution to build an optimal production environment. It creates work files that are optimal for lines and machine environments and establishes production plans. T-OLP establishes the production plan with the best conditions using registered PCB files. TIT, solutions for preventing misplacement of components and managing the production history for material used. Prevention of component misplacement by scanning the barcode. Efficiently manage the line by monitoring operation history and remaining components. In the event of a material shortage, notification can be sent to the material preparation room remotely. Material preparation room personnel can check the status of the material shortage in a production line in real time. After material preparation, barcodes are checked again to improve consistency. Materials sensitive to temperature and humidity are managed by grade. If conditions are not satisfied when the material is used, an error will occur which prevents defects. This accurately identifies the location of necessary materials more efficiently. Job change over time can be dramatically reduced by preparing for the production of the next project. The screen printing process is controlled by assigning a unique barcode ID to the cream solder, the metal mask, and the squeegee, which verify the conditions of the solder, the thickness of the metal mask, and the number of times it has been used. Even after production, the usage history of material and feeder is managed in order to track history quickly and easily in case of defects in the future. The barcode on the PCB in a production line is checked in order to execute the job change automatically. This makes it possible to produce PCBs of different widths without stopping the production line, which increases the operation efficiency of the line. If there is a large number of component types and it is impossible for the machine to produce the job using one PCB file, the production of the model can continue by separating into two PCB files, opening the PCB file sequentially, and replacing the docking cart. After bad marks are checked by the first chip mounter in a production line, the bad mark information is automatically transferred down the line to the remaining chip mounters in the line for improved efficiency. T-PnP, the best production quality management solution. The SPI transfers the print offset feedback and requests automatic stencil cleaning by the printer to minimize printing errors. It also transfers solder print offset information to the chip mounter to prevent placement errors. In addition, placement quality is improved by transferring mount offset information from AOI to the chip mounter. It reduces costs by minimizing electricity and nitrogen consumption at reflow during non-operating hours. When the pneumatic pressure in a nozzle is out of normal range, it informs the operator of this and provides the manager with a process diagnosis report in order to prevent the loss in the process. If an error in the machine occurs, while the line manager could not be aware of it, in order to solve the problem, T-PnP will inform the line manager of this through mobile phone and provide him or her with appropriate troubleshooting guides. Realization of zero defect with the best management of machines and materials. Reduction of costs for the line operation and the profit maximized. Production efficiency maximized by shortening production time. Improvement of user convenience with human interface. Machine downtime reduced by efficient exchange of information between machines in a line. All data collected in real time is linked with MES through T-PnP, and all functions can be controlled remotely. Efficiency maximized with the support of optimal production environment. We establish a new standard for SMT Total Solutions. Experience your smart factory. Hanwha.